Hello students, this is Miss Smith. I'm going to teach you how to make a cootie catcher, as they are sometimes called. Yours will end up looking like this, okay? And you should have already played the game with your partner, so if you're making this, that means that you're done with the game and you're making your own. So, step by step. It has directions here, but honestly I don't think they're very good, and I think it's easier to see it. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to cut off the excess, and do this on either side. Even though there's not much paper on this side, it will impact how well your catcher works. So trim all four sides. Please make sure when you're done that you throw away your trash. Okay. Now, you are going to fold on several lines. First, we're just going to fold it in half. Make sure you've got a good crease. Then you're going to open it back up. And now you're going to fold it on this way in half. So hot dog in half, hamburger in half, if you remember that from elementary school. Okay. Alright, then you are going to flip it over. And you see how now you kind of got this crease in the middle. You're going to fold each end to that crease. Make sure your numbers down here show when you're doing this, because if they don't, that's going to mess up the game. Fold this one. And the last one. Okay, so you see now I can see all of my numbers. Okay, that's important of how I folded it. If you can't see all your numbers, you're going to need to refold. Alright, now we're going to turn it this way. So flip it over. And we have our center again, and this time we're going to now fold these into the center. So when you fold it, you're going to see those numbers now on the outside. Try to line it up as best as possible. That's what the lines are there for. Kind of like origami, paper folding. Okay, and again notice how I can read all of my words the way that I folded it. Okay, flip it back over. And you're going to fold it just in half. That should be a pretty easy fold. Okay. And you're going to fold it the other way in half. And then you should be able to, there's going to be little flaps here. You're going to put your fingers in those flaps. That. Some of them you may have to kind of go together right. And there you go. There's your completed cootie catcher. Good job.